Hey y'all, I'm just to run out here to the store, but first I gotta make me some juice to take with me. You know what I mean? I mean, there's a lot of people out here with money to throw away with, but I'm gonna tell you something, I ain't one of them. I got some neighbor oranges here, I'm gonna make some juice with it. But later on, I'm gonna show you what to do with these pills. We don't throw them away. That's good stuff right there. We got multiple uses for that. So let's get this juice going, okay? That gonna take a few minutes. I'm gonna hang around. We're gonna soak these in some vinegar for a few minutes and then get any, because these aren't organic, so I'm gonna try to get whatever they sprayed on here, who knows what, off of here with a little bit of vinegar and water, let them soak, and then I'll come back and rinse them and we'll get started, okay? Don't go nowhere, y'all. Okay, so we let these soak. Now we're just gonna rinse them off. Squeaky clean. This one got a bad spot, so we're gonna throw this away. Now we got oranges. Yes, let's make some juice. I'm gonna peel these and come back. Okay guys, so we got our oranges all peeled and ready to go for our juice, but look at all these peelings. We're not throwing these away. I paid for the whole orange. I'm gonna use the whole orange, okay? This is good for me. This is also good for me if you know how to process it, and maybe I'll show you that later in another video. But this is also good for your garden. Did you know that? You know them pests that come and take over your plants? We like the smell of this, but they don't like the smell of this. This is good for your garden. Let me show you. I'll show you a quick way to use this in the garden, and then I'll show you another way. Hold on. So you can just take a couple of these peelings and you can either break it up, tear it up, or you can, this is easy to me, just cut it up. It's no particular size or shape. Just cut it up like that. You can even just put the whole thing on the side of the plant. But I'm just gonna cut it up a little bit, okay? And then I'll go outside and show you how freaking easy it is. Okay, so we got a kale plant, right? We got our orange peels. And look. It's simple as that. Them little creatures start crawling out here. They don't like the smell of that, and the insects will run away from this. You got an infected plant? Go ahead and throw some orange peelings in there. Easy, right? I'm gonna show you another way. That was easy, right, guys? You're gonna eat that orange anyway. Are your kids eat oranges? Hey, are you making juice? Don't throw that away. That's nutritious. That's nutritious for you and your plants. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make my juice, and then I'll show you another way that you can use the orange peels to make a powder, because the orange peelings, you can use it as an insecticide. You can also use it to add a supplemental nutrition to your soil. Yeah, guys, don't throw that away. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna add a little piece of ginger to that, okay? And I'll put some more in here. So yeah guys, just that quick, we got us some juice. Guys, simple and easy as that. We've got our orange and ginger juice on the go, and then I just put the leftovers in a glass bottle. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for later. It'll be nice and cold and very tasty. Now let's get back to using the orange peels. That's what you're waiting for. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, I got my orange peelings here. I've got a little pot and I'm gonna put about 2 cups of water in there. And I'm gonna add some of these orange peels. And that is plenty. And we're gonna put this on the stove and boil it for about 15-20 minutes. And I'll be right back. Now we just need to drain this liquid off, and that's what we're after, is the liquid off of the orange peel. This liquid, you can even drink that. Just go ahead and sweeten it and drink it. But we're gonna save it in a spray bottle, and we're gonna use it as an insecticide. You can spray this directly on the leaves, or you can spray it in the soil around the roots. Here's another way. You can take the rest of the orange peels and lay them flat, just turn them up like I'm doing here, and we can put these in the oven, or you can put them in your dehydrator if you have one. And we are going to dehydrate these, and I'll show you what we do next. Remember, you need to keep these in a single layer. We don't want them to steam, we want them to dehydrate, okay? You can use your dehydrator. It's just going to take a little bit longer. See, this is default to 6 hours. In the oven, 2 hours and 20 minutes on 200. So here we go. We're using the insecticide we put in the spray bottle. It doesn't hurt the leaves at all. Okay, now we're finished dehydrating, and you need to hear that snap, okay? That's how you know that snack, crackle, pop. That's how you know they have fully dehydrated. Now we're going to turn these into a powder, so we're going to use an airtight jar to store it in. And yes, we're going to use our trusty Dollar General cheap coffee grinder to accomplish this. It works just fine. You're probably wondering why she didn't finish the job. I'm holding these back for some tea. So we finished our powder. I'm going to show you how fine that is. But the rest of those on the tray, we're going to save that for a tea, and I'll show you that in a second. You know, you got your a whole jar of vitamin C right here. You can make tea out of this, and you can also feed your plants. Here we go. I'm just going to put a little bit around this lemon tree here. And I'm gonna kind of lightly work it into the top of the soil. I'll come back and wash my hands, and then we'll get back to the powder. To the tea. It don't take that much. So we got enough here for about 2 cups of tea. You can just store them into an airtight container. Put them in a dry place and save it for when you want to make tea. Did I mention that you can use this to clean up too? If you have some left, put a little bit of about a teaspoon of vinegar in there, and you can use it for cleaning. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I make my tea. That's enough for about 2 cups, so I'm just going to put this into my French press. Add some boiling water. And we're going to let this steep for about 5 minutes in the French press. Works just fine. We're going to push the strainer down. Make us a nice cup of orange peel tea. Loaded with vitamin C, guys. And I'm gonna add some raw honey. And it's tea time. Now tell me what you do with your orange peels.
Honey.